Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today I thought of doing something different. Let's do a review of the past 2 years because it's been 2 years. So the first video that I've uploaded on the channel was in 2023 in December. So let me pull up the YouTube website and I'll show you how it went in the first year and how it went in the second year. And hopefully it will go even better in the third year. Right, so let's see how I've done. So this is our situation right now. So I have 33 subscribers, 3 in the last 28 days, and I can't even remember how many, but these are the views. We have 40 videos online. So let's go to analytics and let's see. So if I go custom, let's first go from 01/01/24, yeah, to 12/31/2024. I think it's like that because it's American date. Okay, so as you can see, 2024 I started very slow, so I only had one video in beginning of March, and then I started making more towards September, and the views have started to go in. So watch time was 188 and I got 10 subscribers. See, one every couple of months. So during 2024 I got 10 subscribers. Content wise, I've got 2,700 views, average duration 404, and yeah, subscribers went up by 10 in 2024, and you can see here monthly audience went really high and then dropped down because you can see here I had a different project and I didn't have the time to have to put new videos out. But as soon as I started putting videos out every week, if you can see these ones, the views went up, and here when it was going really high, is this exactly where I stopped, and then came back and had some videos at the end of December when I finished the other project and I had time to do other things. And yeah, I've shown you the subscribers. Right, so let's now see. So if I go custom and I put 2025 and 2025, so this is my 2025. Oh, sorry, it's not. 1 second. 2025. Right, so in 2025 I had 18,000, almost 19,000 views. Yeah, 502 hours watch time and I had 18 plus subscribers. So in 2025, I got 18 subscribers extra. So almost doubled the numbers of new subscribers that I got. As you can see, I had more videos put out. Again, I had several other projects that were going on, and I couldn't put out videos every week. But you can see it's still fairly good. I'm happy with what we got. So average duration went down to 3 minutes from 404. Okay, but my monthly audience went up to 1,500 from the previous. I think I got 7,500. So it's slowly going up, and you can see here whenever I'm consistent and I post videos, it's slowly going up, which is what I'm looking for. I'm not. I know it's gonna be hard to keep the trend sometimes, and sometimes it's very hard to find things to show you. But I'm trying, and I'm trying also to find more interesting stuff to do. Funny thing is, look at the jumps in the views when I have a short. Look at this. So it went up here from 600 to 1,000, just like that. And here also I had the other how to spot fake Pokemon cards. Again, a little bit, and then it went up from 400 to 1,000 in just a couple of days. But what I'm looking at, I'm looking for a nice steady growth, which hopefully I will have. You can see here just one subscriber at a time, which is fine. Not everyone loves how I speak, or maybe how I present, or what I do. It's all right. The thing I want to show is that if I'm consistent, the channel will grow steadily. Right, I want to show you, so lifetime. It will take a while because it's all the information that they have. So it's steadily growing. As you can see, the monthly audience is steadily growing. It was slow at the beginning, and then the more I put videos, is even if it goes down sometimes, then it goes up again. And you can see here, because I've been managing to get a video out every week or every 2 weeks, it's steadily going up, which is wonderful. What can I say? I mean, it takes a lot of time to put aside to just put out a video. And the subscribers, the subscribers are not, you cannot see it as a trend, unfortunately. Content wise, let me show you which is my the video that has the most views, and I'm not talking about shorts. The shorts are a completely different thing. I can't believe sometimes what the people would see. So this is in the last 365 days. So the Garmin Vivo Active 3 Sports Watch step-by-step guide is one of the ones that are being watched, and it's the people watching are still watching at the 30 seconds mark. And then the Eufy Solo S3040 outside camera, again the Huawei MediaPad T310, and then the cleaning the fans of the Dell Precision 5560, and then another video about the same Garmin Vivo Active Watch, and the Toyota key battery key fob replacement, which is all good. So top videos lifetime: disassembly of Philips steam iron has over 5,000 views. Then disassembly of electric steam iron, the Panasonic, which was the first video that I've actually uploaded, 2,300. Next one is the Acer 10-inch tablet AC1022 disassemble and repair. It has 1,200 views. Then is the part 1 of the Garmin Vivo Active 3 Sports Watch, 451, and then the Amazon Kindle D011004 4th gen screen and battery replacement, 436. And if I click here, it will show you the rest of them. Okay, so then we have the Powkiddy Retro handheld console with 337 views, and then the Huawei MediaPad Dell Precision cleaning the fans, 278. The Solo Cam, the short review of the steam iron, Alba Zece 10 No, 222. The repair the VTech pirate ship not powering on, it has reached 222, and I'm really happy about that. Yes, I will show you which ones are the ones that are last. So the diamond painting for the beginners, a step-by-step tutorial, which is my daughter who's done that. It only has 5 views. I believe it's because the video is very long. It's an hour and 20 minutes. I don't think, yeah, I'm not reaching the right people. And then the diamond art keyring, 6, part 1 and part 2, so 6. And then the IKEA football children's lamp has 7. And then this is a very newish video, the Bosch AC70BC0 tablet screen and digital replacement. Again, a very long video, 1 hour and 23 minutes. It has only 9 views. So those are the bottom. These two I've just uploaded, so last 2-3 weeks. So that's why they only have 18, 21, but I think they're going average view duration for the Alba 8 No. It's going 935, so that's good. If I click on the I can't click on it to sort on it. The other one is the Alba 10 No LCD and digitizer replacement. So yeah, this is, oh yeah, and the other thing I wanted to ask to show you. So YouTube search brings me 32% of the views, and then suggested video 31.7%, external 24.4%, browse feature 6.6%, direct unknown 2.4 and others 2.2. And so from external, so Google search, ChatGPT with 3%, DuckDuckGo 0.9, ChatGPT again 0.8, and Yandex 0.6. YouTube searches, Philips Iron Repair, Philips Steam Iron Repair, Panasonic Iron Repair, and Philips again Iron Repair. Suggested videos, I do not understand. This is something really weird. How to reassemble a simple stapler brings me 21% of the suggested videos, which is very funny. And yeah, I think that's pretty good. Playlists, tablet repairs is 36%. I guess it's fine because I do have loads of tablet repairs videos, so it's normal that they would have more percentage in it. So yeah, this is where I am. I'm hoping that this year I will get more time to do some more videos, get my videos to be a little bit more professional. I'm planning on upgrading the camera, and I'm planning also on upgrading the lighting. Hopefully that will bring more depth to the videos, and hopefully, yeah, everything will start to increase. You can see here the last 28 days views, it's gone up by 2.5 kilo views, and watch time is 75 hours. I'm still a long way from earning anything because I need to have at least 500 subscribers, and also I can't remember, what do I need? 3,000 watch hours, public watch hours. So now I'm at 463 public watch hours. So a long way from what I need. I'm guessing it would be easier with the shorts view, maybe. I'm not sure. I will try to post some shorts as well, trying to see if I can improve my viewing score. So let me know what you think in the comments. I will post a new video probably next week with a watch, a Garmin Fenix 5. Hopefully if I can get it running today and everything is gonna be fine, there's no issues with it, I'll post the video next week. So let me know what you think in the comments. Thank you. Bye.